Hi, I'm Luciana Luli Brazil in YouTube, and today I'm going to fix this walker breaker. My husband and I were going around, and we saw this walker on the garbage of someone, and my husband said, let's go back and fix it. And wow, we could make some money in Kijiji or whatever. Because one of those, brand new is really expensive. So if you sell like $20 or something, the only problem on these walker is the brake, and it's important the brake for a person who needs to use the walker. That's for sure. I'm speaking English because it's in Canada, so I don't think there will be in Brazil, but I will speak in Portuguese on a while. Eu vou falar em português daqui a pouco. Bora lá. Let's go. So this walker, the name of this walker is, I don't know the name, but the model, Piper model, Walker Piper model. It can get 275 pounds, so it's about 125 kilos. And the problem is here. The wheels are full of hair, and the breakers are not working too good. They are breaking for no reason. I already removed the one wheel, so I will remove all of them to clean and put a little bit of WD-40 oil and put together again. So this video is just to show you how to change the breakers cord. So you have to remove here, because there is no, they didn't make this one, at least this one doesn't have, the one I'm working with doesn't have a screw to hold the brakes, to hold the how to say, the cord of the brakes. I don't know if it's the proper word, but you know what I mean. So I will release here and try to fix, because someone removed it from here. So it has to go inside here and up all the way. Cannot remove from there. And if it get too tight, you can be untied here. That's how it works, is here. You can make it tight or not. Okay? So make sure, if you need to change this cord, you get the same one to the store and ask them the same size. So you won't have a problem with that too tight. Okay? So here there is a screw, and the other side has something to hold the screw, so it come out. I was looking and having a problem to take out. Now it will come out, otherwise it wouldn't. See? And here it goes. Okay, they say like there another style, another type. It was coming out a lot of stuff from inside in the video the guy showed, but it's not this one. There's someone is looking for a criminal or something. I don't know. I'm outside, that's why it's noisy. So it is about 8 something, I don't know. 9:11. So I'm going to change it after I go on with the video, okay? I will stop the video now, and when I change, let me show you. It's tight. I have to remove it from here. So I have to use both hands. Anyways, yeah, I will take out the wire and go through here and then back and put that back, and that's it. Okay, that's it with the both hands, not the one hand. Okay, I will stop, and after I go on to show you everything. If your walker are not turning around properly, it might be hair, so you have to remove the wheels, as you can see. I know it's obvious, but some people might think there is a problem. So I'm going to speak Portuguese. Se você está notando que a roda não está rodando propriamente, não está rápida, né? Tá travando. Pode ser na roda do andador, né? Pode ser cabelo, viu? Então você tem que sempre checar isso, né? Ou você, ou seus filhos, ou quem quer que seja, esteja tomando conta, para ver se é cabelo. Parece uma coisa óbvia, né? Mas antes de mexer com os freios, é bom mexer ali. Eu estava explicando como trocar como é o nome? O cabo do freio. Como trocar, não sei nem o que é. Como trocar o cabo do freio. É a vizinha que não gosta de mim ali. Como é? Depois de trocar, mas não é nesse daqui. O cabo do freio, ele é soldado no freio. Então tá difícil trocar o cabo desse freio especificamente, né? Fizeram de um jeito descartável, né? Então fica difícil. Obrigada por ter assistido. Beijos e fiquemos com Deus. Vou ver se arranjo uma solução aqui. Mas eu vou continuar o vídeo. Eu vou falar inglês agora para que entenda. This walker, it has a problem with the brakes because it is welded on the brakes here. I don't know how they got to remove from inside here, but I will find out. Here it broke the brake, so they had to do something to make it work. I will see what I do. I think I could use here something that is used with bikes, that is a nail, whatever, to hold the cord. I don't know how you call it in English, to hold it in place. I will try. It's with a hole, and you put the cord inside and you tight the nail, the screw, tight the screw. I will see. I will see if I buy another, but that's how it works. You have to remove that. It doesn't, that trademark Piper Walker. Everything is plastic. I took out this, you see? I will show you right now. This handle, it is on this position, And it has lots of plastic here to hold in place. So if you make too much strength, maybe they break, I don't know. So that's it. Thanks for watching. May God bless and protect me all. I will do another video. The wire, the wheel, you will need half and 13. Então você vai precisar uma chave 13 e uma de meia. Aqui e aqui. Aqui. It's easy to take out. Someone already tried it to take out. As you can see. Oh, also here. So that's impossible to wheel properly, okay? So I will do the same to the others. Então, como vocês podem ver, é difícil essa roda rodar com esse monte de cabelo aí. Dá pra fazer uma peruca. Então eu vou parando o vídeo por aqui, né? Que eu só vou trocar o parafuso depois. A gente... Então é isso. Obrigada por ter assistido. Beijos e fiquemos com Deus. Thanks for watching. May God bless and protect you. We all.